Welcome to the disruptED Starter Kit and Immersive App. Here are a couple quick tips to get you and your child started. Our Immersive App provides an AR and a VR version of each book together on our disruptED platform. Simply choose your book, choose your experience, and you're on your way. The AR version is much like a virtual pop-up book that brings all the characters to life and into your world. Your child will see stories on primary learning concepts in a better context than ever before. The VR version allows for a 360-degree dive into the world of each story where you become immersed with the characters. This helps children to focus on content and make even deeper cognitive connections. In addition to an AR and VR version of the books, we have included fun and engaging activities in the app. These are available through purple buttons that show up as your child explores the books. Some activities are only available in AR or VR, so be sure to explore everywhere. Finally, we have also included physical activity books to reinforce important skills. Some of these activities might be a bit tough for your child today, but we are sure that with time, practice, and a little help from you, they can accomplish so much. We are delighted to have you and your child experience the world we are creating. This kit is just the beginning, so please feel free to contact us with any questions, concerns, or comments.